Are your Soundcore R100 connecting with only one earbud while the other refuses to pair? Many users notice that one side works perfectly, but the second earphone stays disconnected or doesn't produce any sound. This can happen after switching devices, charging the earbuds separately, or following a Bluetooth interruption. In many situations, a Soundcore R100 one earphone not pairing issue is caused by synchronization problems or saved Bluetooth connections. Before assuming that one earbud has stopped working or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore pairing between both earbuds. 1. Place both Soundcore R100 earbuds inside the charging case and close the lid for a short period. 2. Remove the Soundcore R100 from the Bluetooth list on your phone or tablet. 3. Take both earbuds out together and allow them to synchronize automatically. 4. Activate pairing mode and reconnect the earbuds to your device. 5. Play audio and confirm that sound is coming from both earphones.